Alright guys, first of all, our first strategy was to brainstorm different design ideas together. We looked at real bridge and talked about what makes them strong, like using triangle shape or having a solid base. Once we chose a design, we divided the work so that everyone had a role. Some of us fold paper into beam, others handled the tape, and some focused on assembling everything carefully. Okay guys, we also use a testing method where we build small section and press on them to see if they could hold weight. If something was weak, we try folding it different or adding layers. Another important strategy we used was adjusting our plan as we went along. Sometimes our original idea did work, so we had to stay flexible and make quick decisions together to fix it.
Okay, now one of the main challenge we faced was making the bridge strong enough to support weight, since we could only use the paper and tape. It was difficult to make the base stable. Another challenge was managing time, because we spent a lot of time thinking about the design and had less time to build. Also, making the bridge tall while keeping it balanced was quite hard.
Right. Overall, our strategies were quite effective. By working together and dividing tasks, we were able to finish building on time. Our bridge was able to stand on its own and hold a heavy object for more than 30 seconds, which showed that our design was strong. The folding techniques we used made the paper beam much more durable, and the triangle support helped the structure stay balanced. However, we also saw some areas where we could improve. If we had started building earlier and spent less time discussing, we might have more time to test the final structure. Also, while our bridge worked well, we think we could have made it taller and neater with better time management. Still, we are proud of what we achieved and believe our strategies help us meet most of the criteria successfully.
Through this bridge building activity, we gain many valuable lessons that go beyond just constructing something. First of all, we learned that teamwork is essential in achieving a common goal. Each group member had different ideas, and by combining those ideas, we created more effective and creative design. We also learned that communication plays a big role. When we listen to each other and discuss openly, our progress becomes smoother. Lastly, from a technical point of view, we realized that even simple materials like paper and tape can become stronger when used creatively. We discovered that folding papers into certain shapes like triangles and cylinders can increase its strength and stability. Overall, we learned that planning, experimenting and adjusting quickly are key parts of solving real-world problems. So that's all from us. Thank you. Bye. Woo.
Alright guys, okay. Ngam.